Good morning everyone. I am lecturer. Today I am going to discuss about the third semester subject fabric structure, in that fifth unit about finishing processes. You already discussed about definition of the finishing, classification of finishing processes, objectives of finishing, and preparatory process, that is scouring. Today's session is fourth session, in that we are going to learn about the degumming. As the name indicates, degumming, it is a preparatory process. You have to remove the gum substance present in the fiber. It is used for the silk. So that is, silk fibers or yarns contains a protein-like substances, that is a gum-like substances known as the sericin. So you have to remove that gum-like substances. In the raw silk filament obtained from the cocoon, there is 20 to 30% protein called sericin. This and the other impurities make the silk coarse and lacking luster. So, in the silk is, as you know, that silk is obtained from the cocoon, that is silkworm. It produces the cocoons. After cocoon, you are going to produce the filaments. So that contains 20 to 30% of the protein-like substance, that is gummy substance, that is a sericin. This sericin and the other impurities makes the silk coarse, that is thicker and less shining. The process of removing sericin or gum from raw silk is known as degumming. So what is a degumming? Degumming is nothing but the preparatory process of removing the sericin or the gum from the raw silk. Sericin dissolves in hot water, especially that containing soap or alkali. It can also be removed by enzymes. So sericin dissolves in the hot water. You can easily remove the sericin by dissolving in the hot water containing soap or the alkali. And you can use other enzymes also. This is about the degumming. So you have to use the hot water along with the soap or the enzymes or the detergents to remove the sericin. It is a protein-like gum substances present in the silk. If you will not remove the sericin or the gum substances, it make the fiber, yarn or the fabric less luster and coarser. So you have to remove those sericin as well as the other impurities. That process is known as the degumming. Next, Kyer boiling. After desizing and thorough washing, the cloth contains oils, fats, waxes, seed bits, leaf particles and natural coloring matters. These oils, fats, waxes are hydrophobic or water having characters. So if these compounds present in the cloth, they affect the absorbency of the cloth. So what is the boiling? You know that boiling, that is the boiling of water up to 100 degrees Celsius. After desizing and thorough washing of the cloth contains oils, fats, waxes, seeds, leaf particles. So which will have the impact on the fabric. So these compounds are present in the cloth will affect the absorbency of the cloth, that is will not, for example, if the fabric goes to the dyeing department, if that fabric is taken to dyeing department, the absorbency of the dyes will not be uniform. So absorbency will be less if we are not removing the oils and the fats. This leads to improper dyeing, printing and finishing in the subsequent processes. So these impurities are removed from the fabric by the process called scouring or the Kyer boiling. It is removal of the impurities from the fabric, yarn or that process of removing the impurities by using the Kyers, that known as the Kyer boiling. Scouring is carried out in a boiler in which yarn or cloth is boiled with alkaline liquor. So in this process, in the Kyer boiling, the process of scouring is done in a boiler which contains the alkaline liquors. These boilers are called as kyres and hence the term kyring or kyre boiling. This makes the fabric much more absorbent. So, the boiling of a yarn or a cloths in a boiler which contains the alkaline solution, that boiler is known as the kyres. So, process is known as the kyre boiling. This makes the fabric more absorbent. Kyre boiling is a scouring process for cotton and linen in which the fibers are treated for removal of impurities by boiling with 1% solution of caustic soda. Its main purpose is to remove most of the natural impurities such as wax, wood fragments and soil stains or the oil stains. So, kyre boiling is it is a scouring process for cotton and linen, that is a cellulosic vegetable fibers, that is cotton and linen. The process of scouring these cotton and linen in which the fibers are treated for the removal of the impurities by 1% caustic soda. That process is known as the kyre boiling. The main purpose of the kyre boiling is to remove the most of the natural impurities such as wax, wood fragments and the oil or the soil stains. Kyre boiling process of cotton is performed in a kyre boiler and the fabric is scoured in rope formed by alkali liquor. Kyre is a large cylindrical iron vessel. The kyre may be open, one as closed, one and horizontal or vertical. Textile materials contain natural impurities or impurities that result from processing. These are removed by boiling off or kyre boiling. If the process is performed at boiling temperature, it is known as the boiling off. If it is performed under pressure, it is called kyre boiling. So, it contains the cylindrical, that is the boiler, that natural impurities are removed from this process and these are removed by the boiling off and the kyre boiling, that is boiling temperature boiling off, and if it is under pressure it is a kyre boiling. Stabilizing processes. Stabilizing processes are required for improving properties such as strength, luster and other qualities of the fiber. So, preparatory processes to enhance the absorbing capacity, their preparatory processes are carried out. Next is the stabilizing processes. These stabilizing finishing processes are carried out or required for improving the properties as a strength, luster and the other qualities of the fiber. Under stabilizing processes, singeing, gassing and bleaching. Answer the following questions. Explain degumming, describe kyring, mention stabilizing processes. So, you have to answer these questions. You already know what is the difference between degumming and the kyring. Degumming is removal of the gummy substance, that is a protein substance present in the silk, and the kyring is done for the cotton and the linen, that is the boiling of the cotton and the linen, that is scouring of cotton and linen process is known as the kyring, which is done by using the boilers, which that boiler process is known as the kyre boiling or the kyring. So, this is the difference between the degumming and the kyring process, and the stabilizing processes are carried out to improve the properties like a strength, luster and the other properties of a fiber. Preparatory processes are carried out to enhance the absorbing capacity of those fibers, fabric or the yarn. So, this is the finishing processes. Thank you.